Hello, hi everybody, this is Midnight here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Bud 2 Pros. I've been meaning to get a pair of these headphones for the longest. I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, but these are 2 Pro. I didn't get the 2 yet because I had the Pro Buds, so I'm gonna unbox these and we're gonna see what they look like and stuff like that. Okay, so here we go. Here's the lid. You can see the case. Oh wow, these look really nice. You see the case difference, which these are a little bit more shinier than this. You can see the difference between the two cases and the buds. Wow, yeah. Huge difference on what they look like. Okay, well, they're really nice. I actually like them. Similar case, except for these are a lot shinier than this, but very nice, very nice. So I just wanted to do this quick unboxing to see, what they look like, and then I'll do a review on what they sound like and stuff like that. Okay, and that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this content and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell so you get a notification on when I upload a video, and become a channel member, support me on Patreon, and there's huge perks in that, like seeing the video a day early. And may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. May the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Remember, everybody, wolves are worth saving. Okay, everyone? Bye. Hi, everyone. Are you an extreme wolf lover like myself? Then I highly recommend you come and visit the Wolf Conservation Center. They have wolves are worth saving. That's where I get it from on my YouTube channel. They have programs and events. They have Meet Our Wolves. They have Learn about the Wolf Conservation Center, Save Our Wolves. They have the store, Donate, Adopt a Wolf. You can actually purchase a wolf pass. So if you truly love wolves as much as I do, then I highly recommend to come and support the Wolf Conservation Center. Okay, bye.